Alright guys, welcome back. So let me show you a simple way to fade an image in Affinity. So first, I have already opened my image here, as you can see. As you can see, I only have one layer here on the right side. Select that layer and then add a mask to it. So mask you will find right here down, mask layer, as you can see, and add to that layer. So make sure that you selected the whole layer, not just the image. So otherwise, if you just select like that, the mask layer will show up like that. So we don't want to do that. So now here also be careful that we select the mask, as you can see, and remember this, that white means visible and black mean invisible. What we are going to do is use a gradient. Okay, so we will choose now the gradient tool, which is right here, this one, fill tool, and now we can add our gradient, as you can see here. So I will go this way, like that. Just a little bit higher that we can see. Now everything that's white will stay 100% visible. And everything in between creates that smooth fading effect. You can fade the image directly into the... So we can also choose here color. So go some. Now we can also add color right here. So we will click on pixel layer, put out here some color, like so. So now you can see that we can adjust this color here also. And we can turn this around. Also, what we can do with this tool is here that we can change the type of it. So we can also make, for example, this kind of way. Sorry, this won't be okay. So right here and like that. And if I adjust the color here, we need to see it now that it's affected more. As you can see, it's more in circle, and here is the clean version. So this is how we can fade away in Affinity, and you can play a little bit with different shapes and colors and opacities and that kind of stuff. So I hope this video helped you out how to do that. So if it is, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.